Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. Let me show you our EBIT calculator. So, EBIT stands for earnings before interest and taxes. So, up top here we have the calculator, and then down below we have some very helpful content, some FAQs, the formulas, some different examples, and some tables, so that it hopefully can answer any questions you may have about the topic of EBIT. But for the calculator itself, we have because there are two ways to actually calculate this depending on the numbers that you have at the time you want to calculate. So we have from net income and from revenue. It's just a toggle between them here. So from net income, that actually calculated by adding back the interest and tax to the net income, and then the from revenue, it subtracts the cost of goods sold and operating expenses from the revenue. So let's do an example here. Let's just do the from revenue model. Let's say we have 500,000 revenue, and our COGS is 200,000. Operating expenses is 120,000. So that leaves us with an instant result of 300K gross profit, an EBIT of 180,000, and the EBIT margin as well uh, puts us at 36%. Down below here, we have the exact calculation to see how we calculate both. Yeah, if you do have any questions on how to use this calculator or anything, just comment it down below, and I look daily, even sometimes hourly, so I'll be quick to answer you. Just one pro tip here when using this calculator: pay attention to not confuse EBIT with gross profit, because EBIT actually deducts all operating expenses, including SG&A and R&D, not just cost of goods. If you do have a net income figure and want EBIT, then just add back the interest expense and income tax expense to work backwards. So just take an extra 5 or 10 seconds to get the input right, and this calculator will be spot on every single time. Again, if you do have any questions, just comment them down below.